Medway Doctor 2. That's a cool name. This is by... very small name in this side. Anna Fusco. Alright. I want everybody to live very close. I want to bike over in the house shoes for a game of cards on the porch with some tea or digestive. I want animals around and wind chimes above our heads. Somebody is cooking. I bought the bread. Players come and go. A candle is lit to keep away the bugs. Dogs need to be fed. Turn the record over. Song plays through the screen door. Whoa, I'm really struggling to read this. Fuck. Hold it. Alright, it should be easier now because I just put Vass on my lips. I got water.
I just want to know when the world was at.
You can finish it first.
It's pretty even.
It's pretty fucking even. Come on. I want everybody to live very close. I want to bike over in house shoes for a game of cards on the porch with some tea or digestive. I want animals around and wind chimes above our heads. Somebody is cooking. I bought the bread. Players come and go. A candle is lit to keep away the bugs. Dogs need to be fed. Turn the record over. Song plays through the screen door. Chatter trickles out from the kitchen. Someone comes back from surfing, pulls a bag of oysters out from the back seat of the car. Looky here, there is a little distinction between what's mine and yours. Where we sleep tonight and under whose roof matters not very much. When we part, we see each other again in the water or walking to the mailboxes. When we stay together on the sofa, on the floor, into deep listening and burning midnight oil, then in the morning one of us will rise and cut some fruit, make some coffee and tea, but not the same person who did it last time. Because in this house we take turns. In this house we dance. It's my birthday, share it far and wide, hold on to each other, cut fruit for each other, make tea for each other, sit next to each other, be quiet with each other, tend to the fire for each other. Take turns sleeping and keeping watch for each other, give rides to each other, call each other too much, revere each other as you would great elders, imagine each other as no other but your lover. Oh my fucking god, that was beautiful. Give a message to the followers.
Fucking, where's your grandma?
This lamb made me horny.
It did. You should have had her. She was literally like sexting the fucking the lamb slicing. It's cold as fuck.
It looks really bad, but it's real good.
Oh
It's
my
so
god,
cold.
that fucking key.
Yeah.
Sorry, hit my head like so many times. Would you like a blanket?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, we can share it.